guys, welcome back. Super early, super quiet, but I'm here at work. Anyway, I did some trading, got a new toolbox, and I wanted to show it to you. So this is it. This is a 68-inch Epiq Snap-On Toolbox. Let's see how big it is. This does not have the power drawer, so I got a power cabinet with it. This is actually my old one that was on my Cornwall box. You can see how well it organizes everything. I like this a little better than the power drawer. Things have a home. So this was all green. And I actually vinyl wrapped it and got new trim for it, so it matches. This toolbox has the speed drawer, which is super nice. And the bottom drawer is so big I can fit my smoke machine and stuff in it. And I still have that. And I still have that. Yeah, I'm still working on getting stuff moved in here and organized. Had it a couple months now. Just so much more room in this thing. It has the bed liner top. So that's pretty nice and durable too. So yeah, pretty happy with it. I like the color combo a lot. But my other toolbox obviously is at home. Traded some tool carts and stuff for this. I'm pretty happy with it. But this is just a little short video, show you what I got this year. If you want to see a more in-depth video of it, let me know. Yeah, short, sweet, and to the point. So, I'll see you later.
No good? Why? What happened?